find it a lot of fun, and I enjoy fixing cars. I want to learn more about fixing cars.
I didn't know how I was going to be able to communicate, you know, all of the different nuances that we have. You know, there's a lot of nomenclature. Basically, it took a while, and I was very nervous about being able to talk to him because I wanted to make sure that he understood what the proper processes were.
With car parts, you use something called a classifier, and a classifier is something that hearing people use all the time when they're describing the size and shape of something. And so there's so many parts. When Clint needs to explain why the part or what the part does or something like that, that's when I come in and I interpret, I explain that. And then I kind of step back because I let them, they've got a communication set up that they developed over coronavirus, and it's really impressive to me. At first I didn't understand the teacher, but slowly as he described things, I was starting to understand it, like specifically like the sign for light or the numbers, like 100, 200.
It's been really good having Giovanny in the shop and then me being able to communicate with him. He picks it up very quickly, and he's very good with his hands, and that's a lot of what we're doing here. So that makes it a lot easier for me. But I really like being able to work with him, and whenever I put him on a task, he stays on it, and he doesn't stop. So he's a very good student.